If you've been using the stock interface on your Meta Quest 3, it's time to throw it out. Okay, Kiwi Design has been kind enough to send us the V3 facial interface to install onto the Meta Quest 3. I currently have it installed on here. So in this video, we're going to go through how to install it, first impressions, and a real world test and review. So make sure to stick around to the end of this video as we have loads of stuff to show you. Also hit that subscribe button if you like and enjoy VR content. So here we currently have the stock interface installed on the Meta Quest 3. You can feel this interface. It's not very soft on the face. There is a hole at the bottom that leaks light through when you play, so it's not as immersive, and it is not very easy to clean because of that spongy material that it has. Here is the V3 interface featuring a nice silicone pad, easy to clean, a light blocker for the nose so it's more immersive, and this will up the comfort very much so on your gaming experience. It also has a breathable vent here at the top that keeps it nice and airy while you play. So we're gonna get into installing this right here real quick. All we're gonna have to do is undo the head strap. We're going to take our headset, hold it from this side, just press down, and as you press down, you're gonna pull away and you're gonna hear that come out right there. Boom, very easy. We're gonna toss that stock interface away here. Then we're gonna take our V3, we're gonna line it up right here. Then once it's lined up, all you gotta do is click it into place and you're gonna hear a click. So now it is all secured and locked in, and then to finish the install, all we have to do is attach the top of our head strap back in, and just like that, very quickly, we have the new facial interface installed. Now it's time for Lee to try it out. Let's get it.
I can't let the game just die. Ooh, I just won! The first time ever!
So tell us, what's your experience with the new V3 interface on your headset?
I absolutely love it. Honestly, at first, when we first got the headsets, it was very, very itchy without it, and it would give me like irritation around my eyes, but now I could play for much longer, and it's very comfortable. I don't get that irritation at all, so I really like it.
Did you notice there's no light coming through the bottom where your nose is?
Yes, finally. I thought honestly I just had a big nose, and that's why there was a lot of light. But now I see with this interface, it's much better. It's dark, it really feels like you're in the VR experience, and I love it.
Do you think that material will be easier to clean?
Oh, I think so. It seems easy. It seems like it can, wipe off anything quite quickly. So I'm excited for it. It's really, really, really like an upgrade.
And did you notice that it's more breathable with the air vents on it?
Oh yes, absolutely. I feel like my head didn't get like sweaty at all. My face didn't get sweaty at all. Whereas before I would have to take breaks when I would play with it because I'd just be super itchy, sweaty, and I don't feel that at all.
So would you recommend others to switch to the V3 interface
Absolutely.
from the stock one?
Yes, I would say so. Definitely do the switch. It's worth it. It feels like an upgrade. It almost honestly feels like luxury right around the eyes.
Thank you for your review, and I hope you enjoy it.
Oh, you're welcome. And I look forward to many more games.
You heard it there, folks. She really recommends switching your facial interface to the V3 facial interface. She found it to be a lot more comfortable, breathable, and easier to clean. Also, the light blocking feature at the bottom was a plus. If you're interested in seeing an unboxing of this K4 Boost head strap, make sure to check the link down below. I'll also link our Meta Quest 3 playlist so you can see more products unboxing and reviews. Hit subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.